Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make PDFs using Google Drive. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. Once you are logged in, you will see your main Drive interface. This powerful tool lets you transform documents into a universally compatible format with ease. It's a quick and efficient way to share your work, ensuring consistent viewing across different devices and operating systems, making collaboration much simpler. To convert an existing document, simply open it within Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides. Once your document is open, look for the File menu at the top left of your screen. Click on File, then hover over Download. From the options that appear, select PDF document. Your file will then download as a PDF, ready for use. This process takes only a few seconds. Creating a new document and saving it as a PDF is just as simple. Begin by creating a new document in Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides. Once you have added all your content, whether it's text, images, or data, you will follow the identical steps as converting an existing file. Go to File, select Download, and then choose PDF document. Your fresh content is now a portable PDF. After creating your PDF, it is automatically saved within your Google Drive, making it incredibly convenient. From there, you can easily share the file with anyone by generating a shareable link or sending it directly via email. This ensures your documents are always accessible across all your devices, whether you are using a computer, tablet, or smartphone, providing seamless workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.